What's going on guys, this is me Mehdi Shakil and you are watching SSTec tutorial. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you that how you can install the chatgpt on your Windows 11 computer. You don't have to use the browser. You can directly install the chatgpt application on your Windows computer. So in this video I'll show you step by step how to do that. So without further ado, let's get started. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel. And if you have already subscribed, then thank you so much. Okay guys, now you can see my computer screen. Now to install the chatgpt application on your Windows 11 computer, open up any of your browser, then search on Google chatgpt. Then click on this download link or go to openai.com. Then here in this download section for desktop, scroll down and here you will get option download for Windows. Click on it and it will open the Microsoft App Store on another tab. Now from here click on download and you should get a installer executable file of this chatgpt. Here you can see. Now open up your downloads folder. Then from here, double click on this chatgpt installer. Then it will open up the Microsoft Store and give you an option to install it. Click on install. And now it should start downloading the chatgpt files and install it on your Windows computer. It's gonna take some time, so you have to wait until the downloading and installation get completed. Okay, so here you can see we have successfully installed the chatgpt on our Windows 11 computer. Now if you don't have any account on chatgpt, click on sign up and it will open up a link on your browser. And you should get a login page for sign up a chatgpt account. And if you have already an account, click on continue to login or click on this login to log into your chatgpt account. Then you will get this type of pop-up. Click on open chatgpt and you should log in to your chatgpt account. Now from here you can use the chatgpt from your Windows 11 computer. You don't need to open any browser and go to chatgpt.com. Let's try some. Let's generate an image. Here you can see it generating the image. Here is the image. Now from here you can download it. Now let's test the voice option or the voice commands. Click on allow. Hey chatgpt, how are you?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. How are you doing?
I'm good too. So can you tell me who is the President of United States?
The current president of the United States is Donald Trump. He won the 2024 presidential election, marking his return to office after serving previously from 2017 to 2021. This makes him the second US president in history to regain the presidency after losing it.
Okay, so guys, here you can see now you can use this chatgpt from your Windows 11 computer. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video and enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And guys, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. I'm Mehdi Shakil, you're watching SSTec tutorial and I'm signing out.